What's good, Foodizens? It's your girl TK, and I'm back with another video. You know, I'm trying to incorporate more healthy foods into my diet, so let's go ahead and make this delicious smoothie. All right, for starters, now I know the shade of green on this smoothie might be a little aggressive, but trust me when I say it's not. It's actually very peaceful, very zen. Okay, let me stop playing. Anyway, yeah, so I know the color of the smoothie may be a little bit off-putting for some, but trust the process. It's a really good recipe. It came out really delicious. So first we're getting started with some frozen spinach, and I'm using about a cup of frozen spinach. And then I'm gonna go in with about a half a cup of frozen pineapple. And after that, we're gonna add in one piece of frozen jackfruit. What do you call it? A piece, a chunk? I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll just call it a piece of jackfruit. Anyway, next I went in with a half of a fresh honey mango. I only had fresh this time. I will say I normally use all frozen fruits because it gives me that icy or slushy texture without, using added ice cubes. And I don't like using ice cubes because it's like a filler, so you end up using less fruits and vegetables. And that's part of the reason why I haven't bought a smoothie in years, because when every smoothie shop that I went to, they always used ice cubes, and I kind of felt like I wasn't getting my full money's worth. So, and this was of course pre-pandemic, pre-inflation. So I can only imagine what they're using now and how much smoothies cost now. Anyway, I digress. That's neither here nor there. Back to this smoothie. So after I added in all of my fruit, I'm adding a little bit of spirulina, you know what? I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but it's healthy. And I believe it comes in blue and green. I happen to have green, whatever. Anyway, I'm using some of that, and I'm only using a half of a tablespoon, which is half of a serving, because I don't know if you guys have ever smelled spirulina, but it smells a little oceanic, if you understand me. So I wasn't sure that I'd be able to stomach it. So I added half of a serving of that and a little honey. I normally don't add any extra sweetener, but again, because of the spirulina, I wanted to make sure that I would be able to consume this smoothie. And I added 5 ounces of passionfruit juice with the pulp. It was a 10-ounce can, but I wanted to use half of it for another drink, so I only added half of the can and a quarter of a cup of water to blend everything up. So blending everything here, and now we have our smoothie. Again, I understand this thing is green like the Incredible Hulk, but it was delicious. I mean, it looks healthy and it is healthy, but it does not taste healthy. It came out with more of a juice texture, probably because of the amount of liquid and because the mango was fresh and not frozen. But you don't taste the spinach and you don't taste the spirulina, just tropical fruit and, a little sweetener. But guys, I hope you guys give this recipe a try. And until next time, take care.